Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Yelp account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Yelp application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Yelp has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now, if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is simply tap on the more option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign up or login. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, simply tap on this option sign up that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. From here, you'll be able to sign up for your account. You can either continue with email or continue with Google. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to continue with email. For continuing with email, what you have to do is enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now what you have to do is provide your email address over here. After doing that, also select the country. Tap on the field of country. After that, you'll be able to select a country. Tap on the country of your choice and tap on the OK option. Now what you have to do is enter the zip code. So simply tap on the field of zip code and enter the zip code over here. Now after you fill in all these details, what you have to do is tap on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now after doing that, you'll have to confirm the email. Check your email inbox for the confirmation email from the Yelp and follow the instruction in order to verify your email address. Once confirmed, you'll be logged into your account and your account will be created. So that is how you create Yelp account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.